Okay, what do I have to do for this wero?
So challenge number 2, we're going to unhook the hose reel,
Yep.
lift this up,
Ooh.
and you're going to try and hit that target down there.
That sounds easy enough.
Follow me. Now you're here, you're going to drop to your knee,
Okay.
hold the branch like this,
Yep.
and shoot. All right, your turn.
Go. All right, like this. Neil, hold it. Kaitiaki Firefighters at your service. Yeah! Oh, whoa, there's a lot of pressure in that.
There was.
Let me go again. Kaitiaki Firefighters, back at it again.